Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So this video is not going to be very long. This is the video that I knew that this was going to happen at least one time throughout Vlogmas. This is going to be the video, the cop-out video, because I just did not have time today to do what I wanted to do. I have been out of the house pretty much all day, running around doing things. I just found out that the kids will be doing virtual learning until mid-January because of the surge in cases of in the school system, like where we live. So that's going to be really interesting for me next week. I had already planned on taking off the majority of their Christmas break or their holiday break, but Monday and Tuesday I did plan on working, and everybody knows that those 2 days before like you're off for a long time are like the busiest days because you're trying to get everything done. And Ethan is in pre-K, and he does not even have like the school issued Xavier a Chromebook, and they were supposed to issue the preschoolers like a tablet or something like that, but his age group and like just all of that, it's not, a virtual experience is not going to work for Ethan. Like it's just not. So I'm really going to have to figure that out because I have meetings, like I set meetings up like on Monday and Tuesday because I knew it was going to be the last couple days. But then I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm like I did this before in 2020, but the circumstances were a little bit different because I could still take Ethan somewhere. It's really Ethan that I'm like worried about, not so much Xavier, because Xavier's going to have full instruction online, and he's done that before. Speaking of Ethan, yeah, so that's like a prime example. Ethan is the kind of kid, like, he specifically wants to be near me and around me when I am not focused on him. So I know a lot of you all probably, have experienced something similar, but it's been even harder. His attachment since he started going to school and, making that adjustment. So yeah. What else do I have to talk to you guys about? I did do something very exciting today. This is the thing, yesterday's vlog. This is the thing where yesterday's vlog ended very abruptly. Not abruptly. I left yesterday's vlog on a cliffhanger because I was saying that, I'm doing something really exciting tomorrow, but I don't know if I'm going to share it. And it really is that kind of thing where it doesn't make sense. Well, I guess it makes sense for me to share it, but it's really not 100% my news to share, if that makes sense. So I have to kind of wait for things to be 100%, sure and final before I say anything about it. So yeah. Because then it's like, you spoke too soon, now you look dumb. I guess I could have just kept all of it to myself and not said anything, but that's too hard. It's too hard. So tonight I am doing my single parents ministry meeting tonight, and I'm actually leading devotion, so that's kind of fun. And we're just talking about Christmas and the meaning of Christmas and like kind of the things that single parents may struggle with around this time of the year. And yeah, so that's what we're talking about tonight. And then that's only going to be like a small portion of the meeting, and then we're going to be playing games and doing stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to that. That's in about 20 minutes. So that kind of explains why like I don't even have the time to do something last minute, because there are things I can clean in my apartment like right now, but I have this meeting to do. I kind of overbooked myself today, and I did not have a video lined up. So that's what happens in Vlogmas when you don't vlog ahead. So for the beginning of Vlogmas, my videos were filmed the day before, but recently you all have been seeing that recently you all have been seeing that the videos that go up were filmed and edited on that same day. So that's, I mean, it's kind of cool because it's like, wow, like that was done the same day, but it's also like risky because you can fall behind like I did and have to film a cop-out video. So here we are. Yeah, but let me know in the comment. I'm gonna wrap it up here because I really do have to go and get prepared for this meeting. But let me know in the comment section below, what are some videos that you would like to see from me? My cleaning videos are my most popular, but is there anything else that you would like to see? I know someone asked for interviews with the kids before. Is that something that you would like to see? What kind of questions would you like to see? So yeah, let me know in the comment section below, and hopefully we have a cleaning video for you all tomorrow, which is Saturday. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.